Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Rinse and pat dry 4 whole quail, remove excess fat, and season inside with 1 teaspoon salt and 1/2 teaspoon pepper. Place a Dutch oven over medium heat. Add 2 tablespoons olive oil. Brown the quail for 3 minutes per side until golden, then transfer to a plate. In the same pot, add the vegetables: 2 medium carrots, 2 stalks celery, and 1 medium onion chopped into half-inch pieces. Sauté for 5 minutes until softened and translucent. Return the quail to the pot, pour in 6 cups chicken stock, and add 2 bay leaves and 4 sprigs fresh thyme. Bring to a gentle simmer, reduce heat to low, cover, and cook for 35 minutes until the quail meat is tender and falling from the bone. Remove the quail to a cutting board, shred the meat from the bones with 2 forks, discard bones, and return the shredded meat to the pot. Taste and adjust seasoning with 1 additional teaspoon salt if needed. For a thicker, heartier soup, stir in 1/2 cup cooked short grain rice or 1/2 cup cooked barley and simmer 5 minutes to integrate texture. Brighten the broth with the juice of 1 lemon and finish with 2 tablespoons chopped flat leaf parsley. Heat through for 30 seconds. Serve the quail soup hot in deep bowls, garnish with additional parsley, and offer crusty bread on the side. Cool leftovers quickly, refrigerate within 2 hours, and use within 3 days for best quality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.